Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we finally get a picture of the Purlisse product that will be in your July Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. Now Purlisse commented and said they had just released this product, so it's also available for you to get online. Now the value is $45. So here it is, guys, the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And again, this is available on their site, and it's also going to be in your July Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. So I wanted to show you guys a photo because this is the first photo that we have seen of it. Looks like a very, very interesting product, and I would love to try it. So as always, guys, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. I'm also going to link below Purlisse just in case you want to go check this product out for yourself. And as always, guys, make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.